Well, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this May the 14th, 2023. I'm hoping everybody's having a great Sunday out there so far. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. I just want to wish all the mothers out there a happy Mother's Day. Hope you have a great day today. And if anybody's a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Love to have you. I'm still trying to reach that 400 subscriber mark, so if anybody out there can help me, I would greatly appreciate it. I need all the help I can get from my community. I would greatly appreciate it. I want to thank everybody for, like I said, thank everybody for who has subscribed to it, and thank everybody who watches my videos. Thank y'all very much for that too. I have met a lot of awesome people on here so far with my forecast. Glad to have y'all, and like I said, I enjoy talking to you. I'm gonna soon start my live stream back again. I've been just trying to just kind of relax a little bit, take a little time off from doing doing the live streams as well. So I've been just kind of relaxing a little bit, but hopefully I can soon get back on there and start live streaming again, so I can get a chance to interact with everybody once again. So that's why you have not seen me on there live streaming in a while. Trying to take a little break from live streaming, since I do videos twice a day on here, and plus trying to live stream. So just trying to take a little break from that. So, but that's why nobody haven't seen me on there live streaming lately. So I just wanted to let everybody know that as well. Okay, in today's video, we're going to talk about the watches, warning, and advisories across the forecast area. We're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, we're going to take a look at the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today, Monday, and your Tuesday outlooks as well. So let's go ahead and dive on into the forecast. And also, don't forget, it only takes 2 seconds just to smash that like button, and also just maybe 2 seconds just to smash that subscribe button, and you're in, and you get my daily forecast contents as well. And also share these videos with your family, friends, and neighbors. Also, would love to have them. So let's go ahead and dive on into the forecast now and get the show on the road. Okay, we got a special weather statement for some strong thunderstorms over portions of Maine and New Hampshire and portions of Vermont as well. Frost advisories are in effect for portions of New York and also in the portions of Pennsylvania there as well. Also, we have some flash flood watches in effect for northwestern Mississippi, southern Texas, southeastern Texas, excuse me. Also over here in portions of northeast Texas and southern Oklahoma. Also over southern Minnesota and northern Iowa as well. We have a flash flood warning going on down here in one of the counties down here in southeast Texas going on as well, down here in portions of Texas, with some heavy rainfall that has occurred and is still occurring. Also, we have some river flooding going on in Arkansas and portions of Louisiana. Still got that river flooding going along the Illinois and Missouri border. Also up here in portions of Minnesota and also North and South Dakota as well. We still got special fire weather watches for portions of Michigan and also in the portions of northern Minnesota as well. Some hydro issues over here in portions of Idaho as well, and also over here in portions of northern Washington State. Got a few river flood warnings also going on in Nevada as well. Also in portion of Idaho as well. Also some wind advisories over Idaho and Montana. Also we have some excessive heat advisories in effect. Well, heat advisory that is, over central and southern California, northern California, and western Oregon and western Washington State as well. We're here in Alaska. We still got the wind advisory, special weather statement, flash flood watches, and also red flag warning in effect for much of Alaska. The northern chain islands of Hawaii looks good. The central and south part looks. We got some gale warnings in effect for you guys in that vicinity. All right, let's move on to the weather radar now. As you can see, we got quiet conditions pretty much in the northeastern United States, mid-Atlantic region. We got scattered shower and thunderstorm developing over South Carolina and offshore there. We got some scattered shower down there over Cuba and the Bahamas as well. Also over southern Florida. Also back into the mountains of western North Carolina. Also into portions of Tennessee and northern Mississippi. Also, we have some shower and maybe some thunderstorm going on in portion of Indiana, back in the Wisconsin and southern Minnesota, also in the Iowa. Also, we have a scattered activity down here in the portion of the Gulf of Mexico. Also, we got shower and thunderstorm moving back to the north, toward the northwest, over here in Texas, through Oklahoma, back into Nebraska, Kansas, and also, like I said, central, northern Texas as well. Also, still got shower activity over South Dakota, Nebraska, Colorado, back in the port of Utah, and also into Nevada. Also into portions of Idaho and Washington State. Oregon State as well. Excuse me. And some over here in California as well. Scattered activity in Montana also. Over here in Alaska, we got some rain showers along the coastal areas, just slightly inland and southern areas there as well. Oh yeah, and also I forgot to mention, we're getting a little bit of snow in portion of Wyoming and a little bit of rain mixture there as well. Let's see, Guam looks good. Hawaii got a few scattered showers around the island, and Puerto Rico looks good as well. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today. As you can see, we got general thunderstorm from the Outer Banks of North Carolina all the way down into northern and central Florida, southern Florida as well, and the Florida Keys, back through Georgia, through Texas, all the way back in New Mexico and Arizona, and a portion of California, Oregon, and Idaho as well. We have a marginal risk over here in portions of Texas as well. Also over here in portions east through Missouri, southern, central, and southern Illinois, western Kentucky, and western Tennessee, and northwest Tennessee as well. We have a slight risk of severe weather with portion of Kentucky back into Missouri and Illinois. And if you're in the marginal risk, this includes Nashville, Tennessee, Kansas City, Missouri, Garland, Texas, Overland Park, Kansas, and Springfield, Missouri. And if you're in the slight risk, this includes St. Louis, Missouri, Evansville, Indiana, St. Charles, Missouri, St. Petersburg, Missouri, and Florissant, Missouri. The tornado probability for today is 2% over Illinois, eastern Missouri, and also back in the northwestern portion of Kentucky and southwestern Indiana. If you're in this area, this includes the 2% area, include St. Louis, Missouri, Springfield, Illinois, Evansville, Indiana, Decatur, Illinois, and St. Charles, Missouri. The wind probability for today, we have a 5% down here in Texas, 5% over here in Tennessee, Kentucky, all the way back into Illinois, back into Missouri, and also eastern portion of Kansas. And if you're in the 5%, this includes Nashville, Tennessee, Kansas City, Missouri, Garland, Texas, Overland Park, Kansas, and Springfield, Missouri. And if you're in the 15%, this includes St. Louis, Missouri, Evansville, Indiana, St. Charles, Missouri, St. Petersburg, Missouri, and Florissant, Missouri. Let's take a look at the hail probability for today. Just 5% generally over a portion of northwest Kentucky through Illinois into Missouri, and also eastern portions of Kansas. If you're in this includes 5% risk. This includes Kansas City, Missouri, St. Louis, Missouri, Overland Park, Kansas, Kansas City, Kansas, and Springfield, Illinois, and surrounding vicinity. Thunderstorms expected across the area. Here you go. We just got general thunderstorms across Florida, the Carolinas, back into Virginia, West Virginia, through Kentucky to Tennessee, back over to portions of Kansas, and Kansas, Nebraska, Oklahoma, Texas, all the way back over to the Pacific Northwest. In all areas is less than 5% for a tornado, wind, and hail. I just checked it out, and that's what we got so far for your Monday. Let's take a look at your Tuesday forecast. We still got general thunderstorms over the Pacific Northwest, from Montana to Washington State, Oregon, Idaho, back down to a portion of Colorado, New Mexico, and a portion of Arizona as well, and California, through Texas, through Florida, through the Carolinas, and also over here to Virginia. Cardinal risk of severe weather from portion of most of Tennessee through the mountains of western North Carolina, through much of South Carolina, into northern Georgia, and to north and portion of northern. Excuse me, that thing was just updating, so and the last one was Huntsville, Alabama. And the probability is 5%, generally in the brown from the Carolinas back to Tennessee and Georgia, Mississippi, and Alabama. And generally the same thing: Charlotte, North Carolina, Nashville, Tennessee, Atlanta, Georgia, Knoxville, Tennessee, and Huntsville, Alabama. 5% risk for severe weather. Alrighty, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope everybody has a great Mother's Day today. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well. Enjoy the weather, the only weather you got, and we'll catch you back in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love to have you. Like these videos and share these videos.